you saw my last video about Outlier being full. Today I'm showing you exactly how to set up your Remo Expert account so you don't get an immediate rejection email. So guys, you want to make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video so that you do not miss anything. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up. So you want to click on this right here. As you can see right there, so you want to create an account. So guys, I'll be creating an account on the Remo Experts, and I'll show you how you can sign up completely without any issue. So now you won't follow any of this. Maybe you want to make use of your email, you want to make use of your Google or your phone number. So but I'll simply stick with it, Google right there, to create an account easily. So you want to select your email, continue. Alright, so as you can see, the account has been created successfully. So you want to do this right there. So you want to fill this. Alright, so guys, I'll show you why you need to fill the correct information right here to actually get started. So if you do not fill the correct information, I'll show you why you won't get approved. So let me go back. Of course, we are coming back right here. So now these are we have opportunities right here. So I want to click on the opportunities to show you why you need to fill your details. All right, so now we have this right here. We have Photoshop AI specialist, we have generalist AI trainer. Let me click on this one, generalist AI trainer. So now this is what this role is all about. This is what this role is all about. And of course, guys, you're going to earn this amount right there. So if you want to apply right there, when you click on apply, you see what's right here. So you need to submit your profile to apply for jobs. All right, so take into that, and after that, guys, you want to come here where you see this right here. You want to click on this L, and you want to click on your profile. So now you want to enter your details right here. So now I have an account, but I'll simply use this one as an example. So now my name is Ayo, so I'll simply click on this right here. So you want to make sure you are entering your correct details right there. So you want to enter your country. I'm from Nigeria, so you want to enter my country right there, Nigeria. My city, you want to enter equals the email right there. Now you have this right there. Alright, so you want to select your gender right here, male or female. You want to enter it because Remo Expert, they're actually looking for intelligent people. All right, they're looking for smart people. So guys, now they want to know about your work style. So now right here you can write simply choose Georgian right here, Georgian. So now I'm trying to tell Remo Expert that I can meet deadlines, all right, and organized by writing Georgia right there. So I can also write thinking, I can write sensing, and so on. So now I'll simply drop all the details in the comment section. All right, so now if you want to get hired right here, it is very important you prepare your resume. So now, and it must not be up to more than 3 MB. So I simply want to upload mine right here. So I want to click on this right here. So I'll simply upload my resume right there. Alright, now I drop this PDF right there. So this one right here is optional. All right, this is optional on the organization rule. So you can simply fill it. So I'll simply click on next. Right, so I'll simply connect. So now your school, you want to enter your school right here. So the school you graduated from. So guys, I remember in my last video I made mention of BSc. So if you have BSc, Master's, PhD, you can simply apply. But if you're in school, you can simply come here in school right here, click on school. But now for you to actually get access to jobs right here, you need BSc as the minimum right here. All right, so you want to enter your school. I graduated from Ambosali, so you want to enter it right here, Ambosali University. All right, so guys, I have an account already. I just want to create this. So now since you write a bachelor, master, doctorate, and so on, so you want to enter your major right here. So BMLS. So I graduated as a molecular weight scientist. All right. So now the graduation date. So you want to enter your graduation date right here. Now you can simply enter your graduation date right here. So now I simply choose one. So now you want to enter the months. All right, the month right here. So now the diploma, your student ID of child transcript. So if you have one, you want to upload it. So guys, it is very important. All right, so this is just a tutorial. All right, so I'll simply look for one right here to upload. So guys, make sure you are uploading the right document. Please make sure you are uploading the right document. This is very important for you to get access to jobs right here on the Remo Expert. So please make sure you are doing the right thing. So now you want to enter your skills right there. Now your skills, my skills right there, information technology, and you want to choose as much as possible your language right here, language maximum 5. All right, so now if you know English, this right there, maybe you advanced or native, this programming language, do you know it? All right, so I need Python and JavaScript. So now programming competition, you know this, guys, only choose what you are good at. All right, so now RMM, AMC, design, so you now you want to choose one right here, Blender, Adobe Photoshop, and other skills. So you want to enter other skills right there, right? So now what other skills do you have? All right, what other skill do you have? So you want to enter the skills right there. So now you want to click on next. All right, you want to click on next, and of course guys, your LinkedIn URL, this is very important. Please make sure you create an account on LinkedIn. So now the weekly available hours right there, so you want to enter it right there, or let me say 40 hours. All right, so now the early start date, so you want to choose your early start dates. Me, I want to start as soon as possible, so you want to maybe you early start dates, you want to choose routes right here. Your LinkedIn URL, you want to enter the LinkedIn URL right here. All right, so now okay, let me go with this. Let me see this right here. So guys, this is just a tutorial. All right, I have my account already, so this is just a tutorial for you to know how you can create your account, your own account, without an issue. All right, so you want to, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you simply want to click right here that you don't have a LinkedIn account. All right, your Google Scholar URL, if you have a Google Scholar URL, you want to enter it right here, your GitHub, your personal website. So guys, now if you have a website, please add it right here. It is very important. All right, your GitHub URL and your other profile. All right, other profile, so you can add the links right there. If you are on Facebook, Instagram, you want to add it right there, and then you want to click on complete. But before you click on complete, please make sure you have the correct details. All right, make sure you have the correct details. So guys, I have an account already, that's why I'm actually using this. So you must make sure you have the correct details before you click on complete. All right, so now when you click on complete, as you can see right here, let me fix this. All right, so simply click on complete right here, or better still, let me click on, I don't have LinkedIn, because that's not my correct LinkedIn URL. So now guys, this has been submitted. You've been invited to complete an entry exam. So guys, now if you want to take the exam, you want to click on the take exam. So guys, now because the information I provided because they are not correct, I'll simply stop here. Or if you want to take the exam, you simply want to click on take exam right there, and you'll be directed to the exam. Now this is how the exam is going to look like. You have time limit of 1 hour, and this is strictly prohibited. Cheating, consulting any person, or using unauthorized material, using artificial intelligence AI to look for assistance. And you must be alone in a quiet room with your webcam on and your face visible at all times. So guys, if you want to start, you just want to click on start. To avoid an issue, I don't want to start this exam. So guys, it's something you should be able to pass this exam on your own. So guys, this is how you can simply create an account on Remo Expert. It is as simple as that. Please guys, if you got value from this video, I want you to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.